will take a special topic and a special subject of chemical engineering, that is mass transfer. Okay. I think two subjects are the hearts of chemical engineering. The first one is the CRE, chemical reaction engineering, and second is the mass transfer, which is very important for chemical engineering point of view. In mass transfer, we have seen so many operations. We know that diffusion is there. Okay, so in diffusion, what happened actually in mass transfer? Okay, it's just a transfer of mass from one place to another. And if it is due to the concentration difference from higher concentration to lower one, it is called diffusion. Absorption is also there, very important. Absorption. In absorption, we have seen that from liquid, okay. Suppose in absorption, what will happen? Gas will passes from bottom and liquid will come from this part. We want to absorb some of content of that gas into that particular liquid. That is called absorption. Suppose here concentration of SO2 is 0.44 mole per meter cube, okay, or mole per liter. And now if it is going from here, we'll get 0.22 mole per meter cube. Okay, let it is water and here it is also water. So concentration of water will be increased from top to bottom, and concentration of this particular part, this gas, will be reduced from bottom to top. So this is called absorption. So in absorption, we absorb the content from the gas in with the help of any solvent or any liquid. Okay, that is called absorption. Third and very important is the, you can say, drying. Drying is the most important. Always ask in GATE 2 marks question about drying. And in that drying, what will happen? It is nothing. It is just removal of moisture from any substances. Like we have a paper. That paper is very wet. Okay, and we want to remove some moisture. Why moisture removing is important in the drying? Because if moisture will be removed, transportation cost will be reduced. Suppose anything having a mass of 100 kg, okay, now moisture is removed, it becomes 50 kg. What will happen? Now we can see that the transportation cost is also reduced. And suppose a tablet is there, or any drug tablet is there, and it becomes moisturous. What will happen? Okay, the activity of that particular tablet will be reduced due to moisturization. Okay, so it is helpful in so many things that drying is important. So drying is nothing, it is just a removal of moisture from any solid, removal of moisture, okay, with the help of any gases and all. It is drying. Next operation, we know that crystallization, that is also very important. Why crystals will be formed, why crystals are required? We have seen the sugar crystals, okay. Why it is required? Because the handling of crystals is very easy, and it's also very transportation cost, once again, so many things is important about the crystals. So in crystallizations, we have seen the driving force is supersaturation. Okay. So what is supersaturation? Suppose we have a glass and we want to put some sugar on that, in particular glass with water. Okay. What will happen if just we stir that particular sugar? The sugar will be dissolved in particular water, and it will keep on happening. But one time will come when no more sugar can be added in that particular water. That particular situation is called saturation. Okay, but what will happen? That what will